County governments should expedite energy planning initiatives to bridge the gap in access to sustainable energy solutions. Kenya Climate Change Working Group Chairperson John Kioli says despite strides made in electrification, a significant portion of the population still relies on biomass, charcoal and fossil fuels for cooking, which poses a threat to the environment.
Kenya enacted a framework for county energy planning in 2019 aimed at empowering county governments to develop tailored energy plans that align with the national energy goals while considering local needs and resources. However, only 22 counties are on track to finalize their county energy plans.
We have so many counties which even don't understand what the county energy plans means, and they've even not started the process.
It means even if we had investments to put in a certain county, we may not have exactly where to put this money to. And you know, private sector is very keen investing in renewable energy, in control of, in generating energy, but they don't have those business case that can be generated by energy plans.
They say there is a knowledge gap in energy literacy, emphasizing on the need for awareness campaigns and a consultative framework development that will allow end users to be actively involved in the decision-making process.
That is at the level of community, by beginning to understand how are they living, how are their energy needs being met, and what difference would it make if we made sure that these people have access to sustainable energy.
We speak to the end user, ask them what are their needs. Then like this, we escalate this now to the decision-making level, whereby now we are engaging the energy department at the county level.
Trevor Ngendo for Prime Edition.